Okay, folks, here is the unboxing of Sabrent SSD. This is NVMe 4.0 SSD, claiming speeds of around 5000 megabytes per second. What I'm trying to do is to swap out the 256 GB SSD in my Steam Deck, and this is the old SSD. I believe it's Kingston, right? Yeah, let's see if it focuses well. Yeah, this is the Kingston. We're going to swap out with this. Uh, it's got very good packaging, some kind of casing. So let's see. Here it goes. Wow, this is impressive. This is pretty impressive. See the casing. Looks so good. What I'm gonna do is I am gonna store my old SSD in this casing. Very good. Let's see. Okay, we managed to remove it. Oh, there it goes. I'm impressed with this. Good job, Sabrent. All right, folks, that's pretty much the unboxing. Thank you all.